Ever wondered what the key takeaways from Rich Dad, Poor Dad are? This influential book by Robert Kiyosaki is loaded with financial wisdom, but today we'll distill it down to 5 major lessons. First off, Kiyosaki underscores the importance of financial education. He believes that understanding the ins and outs of money, how it works, how to earn it, how to make it work for you, is a pivotal step towards financial success. It's not just about making the money, it's about knowing how to manage it effectively. Secondly, Kiyosaki introduces us to the notion of assets versus liabilities. He insists on the importance of recognizing the difference between the two. Basically, assets put money in your pocket while liabilities take it out. So, according to Kiyosaki, the goal should be to acquire income-generating assets such as investments or businesses, as these contribute to building wealth. Thirdly, Rich Dad, Poor Dad encourages the cultivation of an entrepreneurial mindset. Kiyosaki challenges the traditional path of seeking job security and instead encourages readers to think outside the box, to explore entrepreneurship and investments as routes to financial freedom. Fourthly, Kiyosaki talks about the importance of passive income. He emphasizes the need to create and acquire assets that generate income without requiring your active involvement. This passive income is what can free you from the traditional rat race and provide you with financial freedom. Finally, Kiyosaki advocates for taking calculated risks and learning from failure. He believes that facing challenges head-on and learning from your mistakes are key components of achieving financial success. This encourages readers to be proactive, to not fear failure, but to see it as a stepping stone towards success. In summary, Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad encourages a shift in mindset towards financial independence, strategic wealth building, and investment. It's about more than just making money. It's about understanding money, managing it wisely, and making it work for you. So there you have it, the 5 key takeaways from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And remember, financial education is a journey, not a destination. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and leave a comment about what book you'd like to explore next. Thank you for tuning in.